Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are in my living room with 3 vacuum cleaners. So these are one of the vacuum cleaners from each house in my family, and these are actually my 3 favorite vacuums out of all the vacuums that we have. My top 3. So at least I think my top 3. So we have a Hoover Nano Cyclonic here. I know this one's been in a few videos more recently. Not in long term, but it's been in a few more videos recently. The Hoover Elite Rewind Deluxe. That one's been in a lot of videos. And then the Shark Navigator. This one's been in a couple videos, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So we actually have some Rice Crispies on the ground. I'm actually doing a mess test. I know I don't usually do mess tests with my vacuums because I don't usually like to waste food, but yeah, I thought, why not do a mess test? So we have 1 cup of Rice Crispies each for each vacuum that we're going to be vacuuming up. And I'm going to do 10 passes back and forth with each machine. They all have empty canisters. These are all 3 bagless machines. Empty canister. Empty canister. And empty canister. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. We're going to start with the Nano, and we're actually going to do it from this view. So yeah, there they are. Okay. So we're going to do it from this view, actually, which I don't usually do, but again, this is not a very usual video. But here we go. This is the Hoover Nano Cyclonic. Okay. Alright, we'll check out the performance in a minute. So now we're going to go to the Hoover Elite Rewind Bagless. This one has a retractable cord, which is nice. Okay, let's go ahead and use it. Here we go. I don't know, or 7. I think this is 8. I could be incorrect on my counting for this one. Yeah, that one did a good job as well. I think the setting was a little bit too low for this carpet because it was kind of hard to push, but Okay, now the Shark Navigator. Let's see how this one performs. Oh, and all of these vacuums have the brush roll spinning. So here we go. One. My grandma put something in the filters to make them smell nice. Okay. So, looking at the performance, let's get down low and look in the carpet. I see a little bit of stuff in there, not too much. Let's look at the Elite's path. Oh, the Elite missed one right there. The Nano kind of spewed one out that way, and there, and over there. The Nano spewed a couple of them out. The Shark looked like it got everything. Looks like. Maybe a little bit of spots right there. Yeah, that one was vacuumed over. The Elite didn't pick it up. Anyway, let's see what the canisters look like. Oh, it's hard to get out. Oh, wow. Whew. That one is pretty dirty. Oh, it's got some fuzz in there, too. Yeah, that one looks pretty good. Let's look at the Elite. Ugh, yuck. Anywho. Yeah, I'm honestly kind of surprised. I don't think the Elite really did that good. There's some stuff right there. I mean, the setting might have been a bit too low. I don't know. Ugh, there's crap on it too. Like everywhere. The stuff got all down here and everything. Let's look at the Shark. Oh wow, the Shark did really good. Shark has the best suction out of all these vacuums. For sure. Yeah, but anyway, there you go. I'd say the Shark came in first. Well, the Elite did okay. It didn't spew everything everywhere. Yeah, there's like that one, and then there's like a few over here that were spewed by that thing. So I don't know which one won. Comment down below which one you guys think won. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.